How to get your hotel listed on booking.com, one of the world's most popular booking platforms. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the details, let's understand the steps to register a hotel on booking.com. Booking.com is a global platform where travelers can discover and book accommodations. To get your hotel listed, you can follow these steps. First things first, you need to have a booking.com for partners account. Now, visit the booking.com for partners website and create an account if you don't have one already. Once you have your account, you can add your property to booking.com. Simply click on add your property or list your property in your account. Next, you'll need to provide details about your property. So fill in the information about your property, including its name, location, type, number of rooms, facilities, and contact information. Specify the room types, rates, availability, and any special conditions such as minimum stays or cancellation policies. Next, upload high-quality photos of your property and provide detailed information about its unique features and amenities. Make sure you understand and agree to booking.com's terms and conditions. So read and agree to booking.com's conditions regarding payment, commissions, and guest reviews. Verification is a critical step to ensure your property is legitimate. So complete the property verification process, which may require documents and other information. Next up, get ready to receive payments for your bookings. Set up your payment methods and provide the necessary financial information. Now it's time to play the waiting game. After you've submitted your property details and photos, you'll need to patiently wait for booking.com to review your submission. Once approved, you can manage your listing efficiently. Now you can log into your booking.com for partners account to manage your listing, update availability, and respond to guest inquiries and reviews. And there you have it. That's how you can get your hotel listed on booking.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.